Let's talk about 4 powerful tips to help you become fluent in English. How to achieve great results in English with fun and wonder. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Fluent English. Absorb like a language sponge. Adapt and soak up English. It is not the most intellectual of the species that survives. It is not the strongest. The species that survives is the one that is best able to adapt. When learning English, you don't need to be a genius or have a perfect memory. The key is to adapt and be flexible. Learning is not a straight line from knowledge to success. It's more like a loop. How we think learning works. Knowledge, comfort, practice, progress. How it really works. Knowledge, practice, discomfort, more practice, progress, comfort, back to practice, knowledge. This means to get better at English, you must go through uncomfortable moments. But that's part of absorbing more and adapting. The more you practice, even when it feels difficult, the more you become like a language sponge, absorbing and adapting naturally. Tip number 2. Embrace the flaws. Make mistakes, level up. There is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in. It is important to embrace your mistakes. No one speaks perfect English all the time, and trying to be flawless will only slow you down. Every crack, every mistake is how you improve. The goal isn't to avoid making mistakes, but to learn from them and move forward. So let go of trying to be perfect. By accepting imperfections, you actually open yourself to greater fluency. Tip number 3. Turn practice into play. Find fun in every day. It is neither work nor play, purpose nor purposelessness that satisfies us. It is a dance between. Learning English doesn't have to feel like a chore. If you can mix a sense of purpose and fun into your practice, it becomes a dance. Make English learning something you enjoy by combining it with activities you love. Watch movies, listen to music, or have fun conversations in English. This way, it's not just about hard work or entertainment, but a balance between the two. That's where the magic happens. Tip number 4. Break through limits. Every block is a boost. Every limit is a beginning as well as an ending. Sometimes you'll feel stuck, like you're not improving fast enough. But every time you hit a limit, that's not the end. It's the start of something new. When you feel like you're not moving forwards, just a sign that you're on the edge of new progress. Take a break, revisit what you know, and keep pushing forward. You can easily organize your learning with Fluent Hub designed around this exact principle. The link is in the description. Fluency doesn't come in a straight line. It's more like taking a roundabout way, but each limit helps you grow. So remember, absorb like a sponge even when it gets tough. Embrace mistakes to level up. Turn practice into play for more fun. Break through limits and keep pushing forward. By following these 4 tips, you'll move closer to fluency in English, and you'll do it with fun and wonder along the way. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, make sure to watch this video over here as well.